have to say, GPS smart RC helicopters have come a long way since I tested the Flywing FW450. I think it was version 2 quite a while ago now, maybe 2-3 years ago. And now that they're coming out with scale helicopters, you know, I think it's even better, and they're upgrading the electronics in these and the software, and they fly even better. But look at this. This is the Bell 206 version 3 from Flywing in the Los Angeles Fire Department scheme. Looks really, really good. Now, why would you want a GPS enabled helicopter? 3 reasons, particular reasons I can think of. First is, with GPS, it knows where it is, so it will hover in the same position without any of your intervention. If you're flying a non-GPS helicopter, it will drift. Doesn't matter how you trim it, it will drift to some degree. But this will stay over the location locked until you fly it somewhere. The other thing is, it knows where its home location is, so it will return to home if you tell it to, or if it hits low voltage on the battery, or if it goes into failsafe because it can't see the transmitter anymore. So it is really good from that perspective, having it GPS enabled. Also good if you're a first-time flyer, and you're not used to helis, and you don't want to go through the relatively long learning curve of learning to fly a collective pitch helicopter. This makes it a lot easier. It flies like a drone in auto mode, but it has manual mode as well, so you can fly it like a collective pitch helicopter. Anyway, let's get it flying. Let's see how it does fly and how it looks in the air. And we're up. So there you go, so that's hands off, and it's hovering in the same position. Now, what you can also do while it's in GPS mode, you have the ability to flick this switch from normal flight into a figure of 8 or a circuit. So let's try the circuit. So nose in circuit. Back into normal mode. Hover it there, and then I can put it into figure of 8 mode. And it will fly a nice figure of 8. Nice. Back into normal mode. Let's see how good my landings are. So there you go, that's the Bell 206 version 3 from Flywing, smart GPS helicopter. Just so easy to fly, flies for a very long time. I have to say the voltage was going down really slowly and I was chucking it around as well. So you can put it in 3D mode if you want to fly traditional collective pitch, but I'm not really a CP pilot, so I fly in GPS mode and tried out the flying in circuits and the figure eights, and yet to try the invert. But you know, a Bell 206 isn't really meant to fly inverted, that's for sport helicopters, but I might try that at some point in the future. But otherwise, just great fun to fly, and I hope you enjoyed the onboard views as well. Thanks very much for watching this video from Essential RC. The link is in the video description and the pinned comment. We'll be back soon for more Essential RC content. See you soon, bye.